All right, I'm so glad you're here for this video because on this video, we're going to be talking about how to connect mini lights to C9 Christmas lights. And the way that I'm going to show you in this video will save you a lot of time and money while making your Christmas lighting jobs look clean and professional. Hey, it's Jeff, and to grow your business, learn more about Christmas lighting, or to install Christmas lights professionally, do that by subscribing. And to really jumpstart your Christmas lighting business and Christmas light training, check out the link to my Christmas Lights for Profit course in the description. Now in this particular setup here, we've installed mini lights around this small topiary here. And as you can see here, there's really not an outlet that's going to connect these two topiaries to the rest of the lights. So what we want to do to prevent from running extension cords all over this driveway is we have connected a three-way wire into the main C9 lights. Hey, what's up? And I just wanted to jump in here real quick and ask if you're enjoying this video and you'd like to learn about how to estimate a Christmas lighting project, especially what you want to look at and what you want to avoid when you're at someone's house bidding on a Christmas lighting job. Make sure you check out my video titled Estimating for Success in the thumbnail above, and to help you even more with the wiring of your mini lights to C9 lights. I made a video just for that as well, and it's titled 3 Ways to Wire C9 Lights, and you'll find that in the thumbnail above as well. Thanks a lot. We've just run bare wire, bare SPT1 wire into a regular 3-way extension cord, and we plug the lights directly into that. And that's all you need to do.